If you are looking for a Siteground coupon code so you can get Siteground hosting at a discount so you can begin in creating a website or blog, I'll be providing you with a Siteground coupon code discount that will get you up to 63% off Siteground hosting. To get this awesome Siteground promo code discount, just click the link I provided below in the description and the Siteground coupon code discount will automatically be applied. You will get Siteground hosting for up to 63% off with this Siteground promo coupon code. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Siteground at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Siteground discount. Once you click the link in the description, it will take you to the Siteground homepage. You'll see the different web hosting services Siteground offers. Click the Get Started button on whichever you'd like. The most popular is their web hosting plans over to the far left. Once you click Get Started, you'll see 3 different plans you can choose from: the Startup, Grow Big, and Go Geek plan. You'll see the regular price under the Siteground discount price and then the special price. As you can see, you'll be getting a great Siteground coupon code discount. For the Startup plan, you'll be getting a 53% off discount. For the Grow Big plan, you'll be getting a 60% off discount. For the Go Geek plan, you'll be getting a 63% off discount. Once you decide on the plan you want to go with, click the Get Plan button. You'll now be on the Choose a Domain page. If you need to register a new domain name, just enter in the domain you would like to have. If you already have a domain name, select that option and put in the domain that you already own. The next step is to put your account information in. Next, put in your information for the client information section. Once you do that, put in your payment information. Next, you'll see purchase information. If for some reason you need to change the plan, click the square box with arrows to change it. You'll see the data center. By default, it'll choose the data center closest to you. Click the gray box with the arrows to see the other data centers and change if you need to. Next, you'll see period. Click this to choose how long you want to purchase your Siteground hosting plan for. You can choose to pay monthly, every 12 months, 24 months, or 36 months. You'll see the best deal is going with a 12-month term. As you can change the term length, the discounted rate along with the price you will pay will show. Next, you'll see extra services. You'll see the domain registration fee. Domain privacy, I recommend you select this as this will keep your personal contact information safe. By choosing this, your information will show Siteground's information. By not going with this, you can get a lot of annoying calls and emails from telemarketers trying to sell you their business services. Next, SG Site Scanner. This is a daily site scanner that will scan your website to let you know if it has been hacked or there is malware on the site. If you plan on using WordPress for the site platform for your site, there are free alternatives that work just the same. This option is up to you though. You can always add any of these features at a later date if you would like to. Next, agree to the terms and conditions. Select if you want Siteground news and special offers sent to your email address and click the Pay Now button. You have successfully purchased Siteground hosting with the Siteground coupon discount. Enjoy your Siteground coupon code discount. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress video tutorials. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.